Let's talk about goals. Okay, when we are talking about goals, what we think about, what comes to your mind now that you must have created some goals for your own self. Did they work for you? No? Okay.
स्टार्ट हो गया है,
स्टार्ट हो गया है.
कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है.
ओके.
Yes.
तो
But
लिखे थे कहीं गोल्स? हैव यू रिटन योर गोल्स? यस.
जो हमने वो पेपर लिखा था ना, जो पोस्टर लगाया था हमने वहाँ पे, उस पे मैंने जाके लिखा था कि मुझे ये करना है एवरी वीक. सो वो वीक वाइज थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट हुआ.
ओके.
जो हमने डेट बोला था वो नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ, बट उसके बाद स्टार्ट हुआ. बट स्टार्ट तो हुआ है.
स्टार्ट हुआ है. ओके.
Yes.
ओके. कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है मतलब आर यू सेइंग दैट यू हैव मिस्ड अ डेडलाइन?
No, I can still achieve.
You can still
cover
achieve.
that.
Okay. I'm asking, were there some goals which you have thought about but not written, and you have this doubt that, oh, I can't achieve that goal? You have that doubt? Yes?
लिखने के बाद भी है.
लिखने के बाद भी है. Okay, fine. So today we will work on the timeline and we will see how we can make better goals.
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to think about 5 things that you have already achieved. Okay, on a different piece of a paper. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Yes, 5 things which you are very proud of.
5
अलग अलग चीज़ें. हाँ, अलग अलग चीज़ें. Personal, professional, both. Okay, so 5 things where you felt very good about yourself, very proud. Maybe your school result, college results, you achieved something, you achieved a prize. Yes, you got recommendation in your organization, or appraisal in your organization. Something you hold very close to your heart. 5 of them. रिसेंट वाला चलेगा, पुराना चलेगा, कोई भी चलेगा. मतलब जिसको सुन के ना ऐसे हंसी आ जाए कि दैट वाज अ मोमेंट.
You know, I have a question. So, say if a person is not ambitious, he'll not have any goals.
Yeah.
So, then what to do about it?
Don't have any goals, but what you want to achieve next. You are saying you are not ambitious, but don't you want to have a comfortable life? Don't you want to earn a bit better than last year? And why you want to do that? Why you want to do that?
To live a more comfortable life.
To live a more comfortable life, and it motivates you, encourages, makes you happy. Yes, no, not necessarily. You can say whatever you want to say.
No, because to achieve that more comfortable life, I have to be a little bit more uncomfortable in some situations.
Yes. So haven't you put yourself in an uncomfortable zone already by coming here, by participating?
Yes.
Yes. So that means somewhere we are ready to make that uncomfortable zone our own comfort zone, right? As long as you are fine with that. Fine. So I am not telling you to think about a goal which is not smart. Not smart means not specific, not measurable, achievable, time bound, and realistic. Okay. So if it is not coming in those categories, that means it is not even a goal. All right. So create a goal that makes you a better version of who you are already. So don't make a big issue out of a tissue. So affirmation जैसा गोल होना चाहिए. I have achieved this. I am proud of this. At the age of 18 I have achieved this, or age of 28 I have achieved this, or whatever. Mention your age, mention the year if possible. Be specific in your writing. Done? Everybody? Okay. Now, give me 5 goals which you want to achieve in, say, 6 months time, 1 year time, 2 years time, 2.5 years time. 5 more goals. Could be weight loss, could be saving more money, could be going on a holiday solo or with someone else. Anything that brings the joy, the happiness to you. Going to a place where you can hold hands with your partner could be one goal, right?
कहाँ लिखना है?
अलग से दूसरे पेजेस पे, पर उसको ऐसे लिखना है as you have already achieved it. So you write them in the present tense as if you have already achieved them.
Already achieved.
So I went to this place and I held hand and we walked freely without thinking about it. So you already have finished doing that. You have already achieved it. Okay? So the more specific you are about your goal, the better it will sound, feel to you. So keep it in the present moment as if you have already achieved it. Done this, been there, enjoyed it. Okay? And then shuffle them. Shuffle them. Okay, let's have some fun.
मेरे numbers भी चले.
Acha.
Okay.
All right. Shuffle them neatly. Have fun while doing that.
पहले
As
के
if
भी सब clear करना है.
yes, yes,
अभी आगे पीछे है लेकिन उसके.
yes. चलेगा, चलेगा. All right. Done? There? Yes. So you just put it on top and then drop it.
सच में ऐसे ही करना है.
हाँ करो, क्या है उसमें? Yes. Yeah, and then pick it up, drop it, pick it up, drop it, and then shuffle it and see which one is coming first.
Oh.
हाँ हो गया, 3 बार हो गया ना, काफी हो गया. अभी देन शफल, किसी और का गोल नहीं आना चाहिए. चलो चलो, तो शफल कर लिया अच्छी तरह से. ऑलराइट,
मैं तो आंखें बंद करके
shuffle it. Yes. Now start reading one by one and see how it feels. जोर से पढ़ो. Dominic, let's hear you. जोर से.
I am able to connect with people from early age. I participated in singing and acting events since my school days.
Okay.
Oh.
I raised chickens since I was 12 years old.
Oh wow.
I have bought a new refrigerator for my mom. I am on a trip for a vacation to South India holding hands with my partner on the Gokarna beach.
Okay.
I am cooking myself lunch and dinner.
Oh.
I have brought my 1 BHK apartment at a good location fitting my budget. I stood first in my department, computers and engineering. I received good grades in 10th standard.
Wonderful. So Dominic, tell me, how do you feel reading your goals which you have already achieved?
It felt good. I never felt I did not achieve anything while I was reading them.
Great. Snehal, would you like to share?
Okay. तो कुछ words में है past tense
हाँ
में.
चलेगा. हाँ, we want it that way. So all the goals need to be either past tense or present tense in your affirmations kind of.
So I was good in academics. Throughout my academics, I was in toppers list. People feel better and relaxed talking to me, so I am trustworthy.
आवाज बड़ा करो.
साफ में नहीं है क्या? I am excelling in my career. I have got promoted. I am getting good work, and I am satisfied with that. I have joined gym.
Good.
I learned paintings without any coaching or guidance, so I can paint effortlessly and intuitively. I am a very good tarot reader. I am getting many clients.
See her body language. If you see her body language, you don't need to ask the question, how do you feel? Right? So it is important to have fun as you go along achieving your goals. Okay?
When I got my first job and first salary, I felt happy. Okay, I feel confident when I organized my first exhibition successfully. Feel proud when my daughter got national level award in dance.
Very nice.
I feel proud when I received appreciation letter from Air Force. Then birth of my daughter, जो पहले 5 में लिखना था उसमें था.
हाँ.
Then second 5 इसमें I am healthy and fit. I started my own income. I have good relations with my family. I have been to UK and enjoy my trip and feeling happy as a counselor.
Okay, wonderful. Superb. How do you feel?
Yes. Fantastic.
Good. Let's hear you, Tanmay.
Okay, so I'm on vacation with Nimish and my baby. Then second is married to Nimish after 10 years of relation.
Okay.
I am happy, peaceful with Nimish and all Pathak and Naik's family. At early age, that is 25, promoted as an assistant manager. In 2019, MSc pass with distinction. I am helping people to achieve their goal, that is GTT, and overall goal. I achieved my weight, that is 60. Getting blessing from parents, patients. Yes, and I deliver a healthy and cute baby.
Wow. So 2 words for how you felt.
तो बैक ऑफ द माइंड था, बट आज जो मैंने लिखा ना, इवन उस दिन भी जब मैं बना रही थी तो लाइट चले गए थे, तो आई कुडंट अटैच विद दैट. तो आज वो अटैचमेंट आ गया.
Great. Wonderful. Okay. So if you have to give me one takeaway of this exercise, what shifted within you when you did that? What you will say?
The goals are in front of us.
The goals are in front of us. Okay. Good.
मैं भी पहले कंफ्यूज थी कि क्या गोल्स रहेंगे मेरे, लेकिन जब मैं लिखते गई तब एक याद आते गया कि ये है.
Yes. Yes. Great.
सो मेरे लिए अगेन कुछ बीच में टाइम में मैंने मेरी एनर्जी फिर से थोड़ा ड्रॉप किया था. अगेन आई कैन अटैच विद दैट गोल एंड अगेन आई कैन वर्क ऑन दैट.
Wonderful.
For the time being, it felt good that I've achieved them, but snapping back to reality, it will take a lot of efforts.
Yes. ऐसा वाला feeling है.
Yes.
Okay. Because tell him what words he used.
But you
He has to drop but. What else? So he's not letting himself be there. Who is pulling him back?
Himself.
And why he is doing that?
and
What is
Conscious level pain.
yes, what is making him pull back, saying that oh, this was just fun and I can't be here all the time, I have to be here? What is stopping you from being there? By feeling it, by experiencing it, because you know now that subconscious mind believes whatever it sees, whether it is a visual in your mind or present there. Yes, Dom? So what you need to drop?
Doubt
Yes. On whom you are doubting?
myself?
Yes. Is there a reason for you to doubt yourself?
No.
Is there anything that you want to punish yourself for not having that joy or experience?
No.
Okay. So now, when you drop it, say drop. I dropped the but
I dropped the but
and the doubt,
and the doubt.
and I experienced the feeling again. So read it again. All the things, read it again.
I am able to connect with people from early age. I participated in singing and acting events since my school days. I raised chickens since I was 12 years old.
Wonderful.
I have brought a new refrigerator for my mom. I am on a trip or a vacation to South India holding hands with my partner on the Gokarna beach. I am cooking myself lunch and dinner. I have brought my 1 BHK apartment at a good location fitting my budget. I stood first in my department, computers and engineering. I received good grades in 10th standard.
Okay. So now when you are able to see and process this, what do you see?
I need this.
You need this.
Yes.
Okay. So what shifted now?
I can do this.
I can do this. Superb. Superb. We can feel the confidence. So we need to always remember that when we are setting the goals, the fun part needs to be there. When you are enjoying it, experiencing it, hearing it, feeling it, that's when your goals will work for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating.